Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into QuickBooks Online, a fantastic tool for managing your business finances. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, this guide will help you track expenses, generate invoices, and streamline your financial operations. QuickBooks Online is designed to make accounting tasks simpler and more efficient. Here's how to get started. Set up your account. Sign up for QuickBooks Online and complete the setup process by adding your business details. Link your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically track transactions. Organize your expenses. QuickBooks allows you to categorize your expenses effortlessly. Go to the Expenses tab, review your transactions, and assign them to appropriate categories like supplies, utilities, or travel. This helps in tracking where your money is going. Create and send invoices. Navigate to the Invoices section to create professional invoices for your clients. Customize them with your logo, set payment terms, and send them directly via email. QuickBooks also tracks the status of your invoices, so you'll know when they're paid. Generate financial reports. Use the reporting feature to get insights into your business's financial health. Generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports with just a few clicks. Leverage automations. Automate recurring invoices, bill payments, and reminders to save time and stay organized. Managing your finances has never been easier with QuickBooks Online. Are you already using it? Share your favorite features or tips in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next one.